Today, I'm mountain biking in the French Alps, but I'm not going to use this camera at all. Instead, I'm just going to use this one. That is the size of my thumb. Let's see how it goes. I probably should have washed this after yesterday. Ed! I was trying to get your attention, throwing gloves. Oh, well, let me through. I'm glad I put a jersey on, it is cold. I'm so not used to riding a bike for this long. Nose bonk. Oh. So it's been pretty wet here the last few days. Some of the trails are soaked. So we're sticking to a few of the dry ones, mainly top of this place called Super Morzine, and then we might head over the other side later after some lunch. We'll see how it goes.
Seems fairly grippy though. You want in or?
You going in front? All right, go in front then. Some roots in there. That's a hole. I followed Ed, that was not the thing to do. Just like hopped into the side of the berm. I was just like, roop up there, straight up it.
It was either that or just another attraction to me, wasn't it?
So what are we doing?
What we just did.
Yeah, we're just doing the same again.
Oh, okay, fine. Whoa. Get me foot on. Oh. Whoa. That was wet. I had a proper kick out on one of them routes. That went a bit, didn't it?
I was a bit bounced about.
Thank you, mate. The bikes just rattle themselves to bits.
Well, that's because it went on, but you just threw it away. I hit that same route like every time I go down that run. It's like my front wheel just like goes sideways. Leave that one alone. Yeah.
Having a quick coffee break with some friends at the bottom, then we're going back up for a couple more laps.
And I just lay there.
And that's the great thing about this place. You organise with everybody you know to come on the same week, so you can nip for a coffee with one group of friends, go ride with one group in the morning and different people in the afternoon. You just mix it up all week. It's fantastic. And the fact that I've been here 10 years in a row, I just know my way around like the back of my hand. Hey mate, you alright? You know where you're going. Hang on, look at me.
And you rode it once,
Did you? Yeah. Oh yeah, you jumped across the other side, didn't you?
Oh, a downhill rig. Oh, a little jump like that.
Yeah, I haven't done this bottom of the red since last year, but it's here, isn't it? Yeah. I remember it being a bit rooty, so it might be a bit slick. It's a bit soft, isn't it? Yeah, I just remember the rooty sections in it. Oh, that was a shit line. Just get back, give the bike some loving. It needs a good clean, good setup, good lube and a spanner check. Then we'll find some food. Incredibly quick spanner check, and that's that one done. All right, great.
Double shot. Nice. Oh.
You have to get a running start.
You can reach the handlebars, mate.
Right, that'll do.